Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. If you are a problem solver at heart, if you have great customer service skills, where you can bend somebody's perspective on something and make them see the brighter side, this might be the perfect work from home opportunity for you. The company Evolve is hiring an advisor for reviews. Now, Evolve is in the hospitality industry, so rental properties, Airbnbs, that type of thing. They're looking for a review specialist to join their team. The review specialist's primary responsibilities will be to manage the online reputation of Evolve homeowners by responding to guest reviews and providing recommendations to owners so they can gain better reviews on their listings. So if you own a property and you have a listing up, you want good reviews because people read the reviews and that's how they decide how to book their stays. So you will work with the Evolve homeowners to proactively and reactively craft responses to the online reviews left by guests on multiple listing distribution platforms. You'll provide support to the owners about the guest review process. So there may be times that you have to pick up the phone and call the property owners, but this is not taking inbound calls. If you are on the phone, it will be making outbound calls as needed. A lot of things are done live chat and email. You'll also educate owners in importance of reviews and building their vacation rental business. And you'll also assist owners in times of need to make things right, utilizing emotion and intelligence and problem-solving skills. So if a homeowner gets a bad review, you'll help them to craft a response and know what to do to make that guest feel better. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just 3 years of customer service experience, someone who can communicate in a clear and concise manner, someone who has strong writing skills, someone who can navigate challenging conversations with customers. If you are one of those people that don't mind having those hard conversations, this is for you. Being a problem solver and a team player. Now, one thing to note, they hire in most of the states of the United States. Currently, they cannot hire in California, DC, Hawaii, New Jersey, New Mexico, Ohio, or Pennsylvania. But if you live in any other state, you can apply, and they are paying $23.56 an hour for this role. And on top of that pay, they offer great benefits, including 100% employer paid dental and vision, 100% employer paid healthcare plan, so you pay no premiums. They also offer 401ks with a 4% match and PTO. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.